It's raining outside. I don't know. And it only gets worse as you go up.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't rain. Termites. On the roof sheathing.
Well, I'm going to try the world's tallest screw jack. To put those level with the rafters. So we'll find out if it works. So my attempt is to take this 20-foot post jack and jack that up so it's level with that so I can sister the rafter. So wish me luck. Alright, I got it up another inch.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time.